So hi everyone. In this video we are going to see 8th standard English lesson 1 hobby turns a successful career section 2. So in this video we are going to see about a very talented young artist. Yes, in this video we are going to see about Ajay Kumar Garg. He lives in Jaipur, India. His childhood was going well until he suffered an injury at the age of 3. Ajay was treated, but the treatment left him permanently deaf. So, what happened? At the age of 3, he was injured. That injured made him permanently deaf. His parents tried several hospitals to cure his impairment. So impairment means what? Disability. So his parents tried many hospitals to cure his disability, but it didn't cure him. His father once bought him a paint set to play. Ajay started to paint happily. He painted on the walls, floors, etc. So one day his father bought him a paint set. So he was very happy to see that paint set. He looked happy while using the paint set that was gifted to him. Soon Ajay's father realized that Ajay was talented in painting. So soon his father realized that he was talented in painting. When Ajay was 5 years old, a court artist of Dholpur, Sri Lal, saw his painting and was very impressed with his work. So who is very impressed? Sri Lal. So he was very impressed and he then took Ajay and started training him. After completing his education, Ajay tried tailoring, but that didn't make him happy, so he went back to painting. So after his education, he tried tailoring also, but that did not make him happy, so he went back to painting. So he became an apprentice of Asha Devi. So apprentice, trainee. So he became an apprentice of Asha Devi. She taught Ajay the old and dying technique of traditional Indian miniature painting. So who taught this? Asha Devi. To whom? Ajay Kumar Garg. He mastered the technique of preparing colors and brushes and gained knowledge of the painting. So soon he gained knowledge of the paintings. Soon he became an accomplished artist in the miniature style. So miniature means what? Miniature means very small. So drawing in a very small articles or small things. So that is called what? Miniature. So tiny, miniature style. He uses a magnifying glass and a single haired brush for miniature paintings that depict Indian culture. So he uses magnifying. So magnifying means which enhance thing. So which shows the things bigger. So magnifying glass and single haired brush for miniature painting. So to draw that miniature paintings, he uses a magnifying glass and a single haired brush that depict Indian culture. So depict means what? Picturize. You want to picturize the Indian culture. Ajay is gifted in the practice of creating images on a grain of rice. So he is very much interested in creating images on a grain of rice. So Ajay exhibited his work and sold 144 out of 150 paintings displayed. So once he displayed 150 paintings, so out of that 144 were sold out. He continued to show his work throughout India, the United States and United Kingdom. So he continued his work throughout India and also in United States and United Kingdom. So in 2004, Ajay was awarded a national award of accomplishment from the Indian President APJ Abdul Kalam. So from the Indian President APJ Abdul Kalam, he received an award. He received a national award in the year 2004. So apart from painting, Ajay is also very actively involved in the welfare of people with a hearing impairment in India. So apart from painting, is also interested and he is also involved in the welfare of people with hearing impairment in India, and he has been the executive member of Deaf and Dumb Association, and also he was the member of Deaf and Dumb Association, which is in India. He also gives free training to impaired children in Jaipur, as well as children in an orphanage in Gandhinagar. So he is giving a training to whom? To the children of who having hearing impaired, and also to the orphanage, children who are in orphanage. One of Ajay's current goal is to revitalize the dying art of traditional miniature Indian painting. So you want to renew the dying art of traditional miniature Indian painting. So Ajay's life shows us that we can turn our hobby or passion into a successful career if we are ready to learn and develop our skill. So Ajay's life, we want to take Ajay's life as an inspiration. So who are all taking their hobby or passion as a in a very great manner, they can become a very successful career if you are ready to learn and develop our skill. So for that you should ready to learn and develop your skill. So for that Ajay Kumar Garg is an inspiration for everyone. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you all are understand.